Ever had a vehicle running even after the key's out? We started with the ignition switch diagram and checked which fuses should only be live with the key on. These fuses power components like vacuum switch, buzzer, instrument cluster, and anti-lock relay. If one of them is backfeeding, we're gonna find it. Next stop, fuse box. We found multiple ignition circuits staying hot even with the key out. Once we removed fuses, we checked ignition switch output. No voltage found. Finally, we pulled the instrument cluster, and there it was. Unplugged the second connector, and the voltage drops. The cluster was backfeeding power to the ignition circuit. Case closed.